How to verify Alipay account with passport. Hey everyone, today we'll quickly go over how to verify your Alipay account using your passport, so let's jump right in. Start by opening your Alipay app and ensure that you're signed into your account. Tap on the Me tab at the bottom and then go to Settings and select Account and Security. Now under Account Verification, choose Identity Verification. And here, you'll have the option to verify with your passport. When prompted, choose passport as your ID type and prepare to scan or upload a clear photo of your passport information page. Follow the on-screen instructions to upload the image. Ensure it's clear and includes all details such as your passport number and name with no light reflections that will make reading any of these details a little bit difficult. Fill out any remaining personal information fields if required and then confirm to proceed. Once submitted, Alipay may take a few hours up to a day to verify, so it won't take long. You'll receive a notification once your account is verified and fully active. And that's it, your Alipay account will soon be fully verified and ready to use. Thanks for tuning in and be sure to subscribe for more quick and helpful tutorials.